decide for yourself now that I'm in charge of changing my circumstance. I'm also saying to myself, in the next 5 years, there's so many changes I need to make myself.
That's right.
In order for that to happen.
Yeah.
Right? And just thinking about that, which means, do I need to change my skill set? Do I need to know more people, new people? Do I need to enhance my circle of influence?
Yeah.
How do I get better skilled at influencing people? Or how do I get better skilled at, finding investors or learning about investment? All of that, to a lot of people, is actually a little bit hard to gauge.
It's painful.
It's painful.
It's a painful process, similar to going to the gym.
Yeah.
Like nobody just wakes up excited one day that he's going to enjoy the gym. When they do actually go to the gym, there's a lot of pain. You have to watch your diet, watch your sleep, lifestyle. You might even have to change your circle of friends to a more healthier set of people. So I think change is painful, and I agree. People generally by design try to avoid change and pain.
Yeah, because we're creatures of habit. Yeah. And if you don't start out from the beginning and you're growing up and you're used to just working, going home, watching TV, and then doing it again, that habit can so creep up so quick, and then by the time you know it, you're 40 years old.
Yep.
And
That's
then
right.
only then, when you realize and you've got kids and you're still either renting or paying a mortgage, there's going to be some point in your life where you're going to think to yourself, I probably should do something. But then by that time, a lot of times you've gone through life already and you're like 40 or 45, and then you think of it. And that means time is actually running out, and then that's the time you thought about it. Again, let me bring it back to Jim Rohn, and this is the philosophies I always try to go by. And Jim Rohn says, the key for him on his learnings was, don't work harder on your job, work harder on yourself. Because, a lot of people, like for example, there's so much talk in Australia about minimum wage going up, right? We just had a new minimum wage go up this year from like, what was it, $20 to $21 or something like this per hour. However, if you're earning $20 today per hour, can you earn $21 anyway? It doesn't mean that someone else has to tell you that your wage can now go up $1. You can make it go up $50 if you want. Do you know what I mean? And then so many people agree to the fact that the minimum wage went up and almost celebrate it. Oh, it's really good. Like, our wages are going up. But they can do that even without the government intervention.
That's right.
And that is working harder on yourself than your job. You know what I mean? So I put that.